More political news coming in. The Aam Aadmi Party has now released its second list of candidates for the Lok Sabha elections. Mahatma Gandhi's grandson Raj Mohan Gandhi will be fielded from the East Delhi constituency. Remember, that is Sandeep Dixit's constituency. The Aam Aadmi Party will also field Naveen Jai Hind against Haryana Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda's son Dipinder Singh Hooda from the Rohtak constituency in Haryana. RTI activist Raza Muzaffar Bhatt will contest from Srinagar against Farooq Abdullah. 30 new names being declared today. Rupashri Nanda joining us live. Rupashri, the Aam Aadmi Party once again hoping that these political debutants can prove to be giant killers. Take us through the big names in that list.
Absolutely, Palki. Like you said, Raj Mohan Gandhi was widely expected to contest from East Delhi, and therefore he has made it to that list. Naveen Jai Hind, remember, is a political affairs committee member of the Aam Aadmi Party. He has been there right from the beginning. And after that rally in Rohtak, Arvind Kejriwal had appealed to him publicly to contest, and his name is also there on the list. The name of the RTI activist from Jammu and Kashmir is also there. And apart from that, we have two defense personnel also who are there on this list. It has 10 names from Maharashtra. Clearly, the focus on this list has been on Maharashtra. And along with the 20 names that had been declared before, and 30 names now, so clearly Aam Aadmi Party has made up its mind on 50 Lok Sabha seats as of now.
Right, and yesterday, of course, Kejriwal saying that the sitting MLAs will not get a Lok Sabha ticket, effectively ruling himself out. That hasn't changed, at least in the second list.
Absolutely, Palki, that when you talk with Arvind Kejriwal or Manish Sisodia off the record, then they seem clearly disinclined to contest Lok Sabha elections, especially from Delhi. And Arvind Kejriwal has reiterated that 2 or 3 times. But again today, when that question was put to Sanjay Singh in the press conference twice that has happened today, the word that is coming out from the party is clearly that the party will have a final call. So as of now, it is unlikely that they will contest, but it cannot be completely ruled out either.
All right, Rupashri Nanda, thanks very much for that.
I don't think men can change this country. I think women really can. I really believe in that.
When women vote, women win. That's the power of 49.
When women vote, women win. That is the power of 49.